How to buy crypto on Binance P2P trading. Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to buy crypto on Binance P2P trading. So for that case, you just have to go ahead and open up a Binance application, and while you're on this page, what you have to do is just press the icon from the top left hand side corner, scroll down a bit and go to more services, and right on top you just have to go and select or type in P2P or peer-to-peer. When you actually locate P2P, then just press on it, and now you can start with the procedure. So what next you just have to do is you need to go ahead and mark on the terms and condition first thing, and click the next button, set it up, and then click the OK button. Now you need to go ahead and select the crypto that you wish to buy, and make sure that you've already selected the pair. Next you have to enter the exact amount. When you're done entering the exact amount, confirm the transaction, and you'll have successfully bought crypto on Binance with P2P trading. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.